mom was gonna put juice. Yes, I want to keep my things clean. It's not.
Get that from my friend.
Huh?
Didn't get that from my friend. I can show you a photo. My friend didn't give it to me.
Yay, mommy making egg. This is a Cameroonian street food.
Yeah,
For breakfast.
Also, it could be like for anything, like dinner, breakfast, lunch.
Yeah, it could be for anything. Absolutely. So
Oh, mommy, can you make onion rice? Like the
So
rice
that's
that
what we're
like you make in the food and lights down.
Yeah, the onion rice.
Yeah. So we're having.
And we just have to
everything.
eat it like that.
can you eat raw eggs?
No!
Who eats that? It's like literally.
That's nasty!
People eat raw eggs, yeah.
I didn't think. That's just a
No, I'm just trying to put it on mute. I didn't do something.
Oh, you got the onion.
Oh! Are you watching TV?
No, you can't. Yeah, that was an email.
Stop one.
Not that one. Okay, the new of the blue one.
I wanna have the black with the...
Pasta. What do you mean pasta? What do you mean pasta? Come here, pasta.
So basically, we have this with mayo, but I think we're short of mayo. You just put it on top, and the kids are gonna spread it by themselves. You spread it around like this.
Mom, that kind of looks like pie. Like pie.
It's pasta and egg. Yeah, I already know.
And when you look at the light, the
I remember all
spread the mayo.
You spread the mayo like this, so it goes all around.
This sounds so crispy.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it in half and see the open.
So crispy.
Can you finish that up?
Of course.
Okay. I need that.
This is the best. This is the best pasta and egg I've ever tasted in my entire life.
Are you for real?
Yeah, this is the best one. I just a bite.
Here you go.
I mean, I feel like it.
Yeah, you
Wait, are you full?
Huh?
Are you full?
Kind of.
Thank you. I'm not first grader. I'm second grader. Dishes. Take these guys.
It's late.
Gang.
Utasibu.
Gang.
Utasibu where?
Gang.
Read what you're written here. What is this?
Those are the things you have to do.
What letter is this? Give me an eraser. Let me have the pencil.
This is an anime.
Write the G properly.
This is not anime. It only came this one. Good message. Then the small ones is got big message.
I wish I could take it from the other side. From the other end. Guess I'll just have to do it this one. This is clearly really clear. Beautiful sunset, 11 p.m. Tai oikeasti. I really hate this.
My hands are so soft because adults and I also want to get snacks.
You're not going on a trip. Your sister is going. Matt, you can take one of this.
Don't tell me you're gonna put juice in our water bottle.
No,
Oh.
you put water in your water bottle, not juice.
I was like, don't tell me you're gonna put juice in it.
I thought Mom was asking for good juice.
When you're eating the
Wait, when we go to eat, our father.
You're not at a father's.
And I have one thing to say. Oh, sorry, can't bring those.
I said I can.
Barista, what if mommy made you the almond rice to this trip? Very healthy.
Put the plate. Put.
I don't like bacteria in my anything in my food. Nope, I hate bacteria. And then you just
Don't put it together with your books.
no, I want to put it in this.
You can't get.
Only if you didn't give that much job, I might break it.
You keep your thing clean.
Nah, because I want to keep my things clean. It's not bad. You already cried.
We're done.
So fits really good, and it's like I want to wear the sneakers.
Bye.
It matches. It almost matches the dress.
Do you have a jacket with you? Have it with you. It might be cold.
It's 59 already. Bye. I love you.
Bye and love you. Be good.
Okay.
Be good.
Yes, we will. Bye. Love you.
Bye. Love you. Oh.